Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're looking at the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the second paper in the higher tier. It's the November 2017 past papers. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we're picking up in question 26, which reads, ABCDE is a pentagon. Show that BCDE is a parallelogram. Okay, so we've got four corners, so it's a quadrilateral at least. So we've got some vectors here, so this is a vector question. Okay, so if it's a parallelogram, then BE must be equal in size and parallel to CD. Actually, it just needs to be parallel. Yeah, actually they do need to be equal in size, obviously. So yeah, BE needs to be equal in length and parallel to CD, and DE needs to be equal in size and parallel to CB. Okay, so let's see what we can work out. Let's do BE first. BE is equal to A plus 2B. Incidentally, it's conventional that when you type a vector, you type it bold, and when you handwrite a vector, you draw a little arrow over the top of it. So BE is equal to A plus 2B, because we're going up and then down that way. Okay, so that's BE. Now, CD, actually let's do it this way. DC is equal to A minus 3B plus and then down this way. So we're going up from here and down here. So that's B minus 2A. So DC is equal to, so A minus 2A is negative A. And then negative 3B plus B is negative 2B. Okay, and if I multiply through by negative 1, then DC becomes CD, which is equal to negative A becomes positive A, and negative 2B becomes positive 2B. So BE is equal to CD is equal to A plus 2B. Okay, so we've proved that these are parallel. and equal in magnitude. So now it's the DE and CB. So we already know that DE is A minus 3B, that's given. So we want CB. So we're going from C to B. So yeah, okay. We can either make everything negative, or we can go from BA to AE and then down to EC, and then we can negate the whole thing. So let's do that. So in fact, I'm going to write on the side. So BC is equal to A plus 2B plus B minus 2A. So BC is equal to, actually I should write these in case I forget. So BC is equal to A minus 2A is negative A, and 2B plus B is equal to 3B. So negative A plus 3B. And if we want to go the other way from C to B, so CB is just minus 1 times negative A plus 3B. So the signs just reverse. So it's A minus 3B. So CB is equal to DE which is equal to A minus 3B. So these two are parallel and equal in size. And therefore we have confirmed, actually I should have only had one, because they're not equal to the other two. Otherwise it would be a square. They're equal in size to each other, but not to... So basically the opposite lengths are equal, but not necessarily equal in size to the adjacent, otherwise it would be a square. Although a square is a special case of a parallelogram. Okay, so I've just got the one line to say that they're equal. I suppose I must explicitly state that same vectors are equal in magnitude and parallel. It's rather important to say that explicitly because the examiner might not know that you know that. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and best of luck with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.